What up? Jeff here with all my Bitcoin renegades. And tonight we're doing a video on actually two cryptos. And the reason we're doing it on two cryptos is because today New Cypher blasted off and I am going to be putting money into the market now. I need to figure out where I'm going to put $1,500 into the market. Am I going to put it into one of these two cryptos? Well, let's see if there's money to be made in either of these. So if you haven't, please consider subscribing to the channel, and you can find out all the time what crypto I'm buying or what crypto is a good buy, because I even do videos even if I'm not buying the crypto, but I think it's a good buy because sometimes my money's already caught up in another crypto, but I see another purchase that's really good, and I don't have money, but I will still tell you guys about it. So you really want to subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell, because some of these videos you need to know about that crypto right away. And if you smash the like button, it just lets me know that you guys appreciate me giving you these good, up to the minute crypto reports, and I will keep doing that, and I'll bring you even more really good ones that I would normally save just for myself, but I will actually come and, show to you guys because you're supporting me, and I will, give you the goods. So, all right, let's get into it. We have two cryptos. What two are they? Well, you might have guessed by the title. Clover Finance and Polygon Matic. So, first we're going to go in and look at Clover. We're going to find out what reasons we should buy each of these, and then figure out if we're going to buy either. Maybe, we might not even make a decision on here, and I might not pick either of these, but we'll see. All right, guys, let's get into it. Okay, so Clover Finance right now, I was looking into it, about $1.20. It is kind of low for the price of it. If you go out into the month, you can see, it was at $1.05. That would have been a better price to buy. But for right now, at the reset, it's a decent buy-in price. So I was like, okay, this is definitely one I'm going to consider. And look, it's actually went to 161 before. Now let's go look at see what the all-time high is. What? $42.21. And when was this? Just in, April of this year. So it went from $42 all the way down to $1 right now. Is it going to go all the way back up to $42? Who knows? Let's look at the market cap and everything. Okay, the circulating supply is only 129 million, which is very, 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 very low. That's amazing, depending on how many of the circulating supply there actually is. Now, is that all there is 129 million? Can they make more? Yeah. So you need to know what the full market cap is of these, which, let's see if it'll tell us in the official website. The full parachain. See, they're doing some kind of parachain Polkadot auction. You should read the things you should know about the Polkadot parachain auction. And this is on Clover. And they also just brought out a new wallet as well. I don't know why they haven't just blasted off. Parachain crowd loan offering. Stay tuned for upcoming Polkadot parachain crowd loan reward information. Clover is a layer 1 blockchain smart contract platform. I wish I could go back. Layer 1 blockchain smart contract platform. Multi-chain DeFi hub. Cross-chain wallet. Oh man, this is a good crypto. I think I have to buy this. Just because of the project is amazing. Clover offers seamless multi-chain indexing across Bitcoin, Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. Users can search through blocks, transactions, and accounts in all-in-one streamlined environment. That's the EVM compatibility. Now, I'm going to go back into this, but I want to show you something first. In here, another reason that I'm really considering buying into this one, Clover. Let's go back here. Now, let's go down. Okay, yeah, you got the all-new Clover mobile wallet, but let's read what this says right here, guys. Clover is a blockchain infrastructure platform that's focused on cross-chain compatibility of DeFi applications. We already read that in the other place, right? But check this out. The CLV token is used to pay for Clover transactions and to vote for the network upgrades. That's normal. But this is where it gets huge, guys. This is the main reason I wanted to buy it. Clover aims to enable interoperability between Bitcoin and other blockchains. Let me read that one more time for you. Clover aims to enable interoperability between Bitcoin and other blockchains. So the reason that Bitcoin cannot do DeFi right now is because it cannot do smart contracts. So what it needs to do is have an interoperability between blockchains. And how does it do that? Well, through Clover. Amazing. So, note, Coinbase currently supports CLV running on the Ethereum ERC20. Now, there's going to be more, and that's how you can connect Bitcoin with the ERC20, without doing wrap Bitcoin, wrap Ethereum, which is also an ERC20 token. And this is going to connect the blockchains. So now let's go back into the website, and you see more value that comes with Bitcoin in Clover right now. So gas fee redistribution. Clover incentivizes dApp builders by automatically sharing a percentage of the transaction fees with them. The redistribution will ensure a vibrant developer community and foster an innovative DeFi ecosystem on Sakura and Clover. Clover reinvented fee economics to simplify the DeFi user experience. Clover's smart relayer will act on behalf of the sender, so the relayers can cover gas fees with the same token from the amount users transact, without depending on base currency like ETH. Transaction fees will be deducted automatically from the asset the user is transacting with. Awesome. So you don't have to have two cryptos to do it. You don't have to pay with Clover and ETH. You can just cover it with your Clover. Game changer. Game changer. Beautiful. Love it. Identity-based fee schedule. Clover's dynamic fee schedule is a brand new gas calculation method which allows Clover users to get gas discounts proportionally to the discounts get the gas discounts proportionally to the frequency of their network activity. Sorry, I double looped that one. Users with less interaction pay more gas, and users with more interaction will use less gas over time according to a usage curve. Clover, this is cross-chain interactions. This is what we were talking about with Bitcoin. Clover comes with various open source wallet implementations for interacting with cross-chain dApps without navigating between Polkadot-based and Ethereum-based networks. Users can seamlessly send, receive, wrap, and unwrap cross-chain assets across Ethereum and Polkadot trustlessly. That's cool. Clover offers seamless multi-chain indexing across Bitcoin and Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, and Polkadot. Users can search through the blocks, transactions, and accounts in all-in-one streamlined environment. Clover's wallets. So available in extension wallet, mobile wallet, and web wallet. So you can do it on your extension on your browser, you can do it in your mobile wallet, and your web wallet as well. So mobile wallet, multi-chain, cross-chain, multi-assets, internal swap, NFT support, and dApp marketplace. I'm actually going to do this right now. I'm going to download the Android wallet as long as it's on Google Play. Yes. All right, let's do it. I can't do that right now, but I'm going to install this as soon as I'm done with my app, my video, of course. And then I'm going to install that on my phone. I can't do it while I'm recording though, but that's okay. So now, is this the one I want to buy? I don't know. I'm sold, but I don't know how long it's going to take to move, where it's going to move, when it's going to move, what I'm going to do. The only bad part about waiting is it just went up a penny or not. I don't know. Okay, now it's back down a penny. So it did go up a penny. Now it's back down. All right. So next one, Polygon. Okay, now this one is an amazing crypto as well. I'm going to have to sit down for this one. Well, my arm's getting a little bit tired. So $1.78 today. $1.94 this week. 222 this month, 283 this year, and that looks like the all-time high. So we start back here, man. Wouldn't it be awesome to buy Matic at a penny? You would be 175% in the profit. That would have been beautiful. If you put like 10 grand here, you would have had 1.75 million. If you would put 1 grand, you would have had $175,000. So, yeah. Now, is it good to buy at this level? Well, let's go look at what Polygon is. So I'm just going to kind of talk about both of these. Then I'm going to go into look at the prices that I should buy on both of them. And then we'll get in to see if I'm going to buy either of them. I probably am going to end up waiting and making my decision later, honestly. But I'm going to see which one I might buy. Now look at this market cap at 12 billion. Way different than Clover, right? Clover's at only 100 and some million. So this is definitely less room to grow on Matic. But 69% of the supply is out there right now with 6.9 billion, which means there is 10 billion in total. So there could be another 3.1 billion that get put out on the market eventually. Let's see if there's any news lately. Polygon and Mina, that's in September to enable privacy and preserving applications on Polygon. Okay, not a lot of news lately. Let's look at what this is. Of course, this is a beautiful project and I love this, what it does. So, Polygon Matic is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network. A scaling solution for Ethereum. What a scaling solution is basically helping it mass transact, right? So Ethereum can only do a certain amount of transactions at a certain amount of time, and it really builds up the gas fees to amazing high levels. Well, what this does is it releases some of that pressure and uses side chains or the Polygon side chain to, or 10 side chains or however many they have on Polygon. I'm not 100% too. This is a layer 2 solution, not like a layer 1 like Clover. So that's the difference. This is a layer 2, not a layer 1. This goes on top of Polygon. Instead of like actually being the one running the things, it actually is a layer 2, so it runs on top of Ethereum. So let's just read what it is. Okay, it is an Ethereum token that powers the Polygon network, a scaling solution for Ethereum. Polygon aims to provide faster and cheaper transactions on Ethereum using layer 2 sidechains, which are blockchains that run alongside the Ethereum main chain. Users can deposit Ethereum tokens to a Polygon smart contract, interact with them within Polygon, and then later withdraw them back to the Ethereum main chain. The Matic token is used to pay transaction fees and participate in the proof of stake consensus. How it works. Well, picture Polygon as being like an express train on a subway. It travels along the same route as the regular train, but it makes fewer stops and thus moves much faster. So if you live in Seattle, it's like the express train, or like the Sound Transit even. So yeah, I get it. Let's see. In this analogy, the main Ethereum blockchains is the local train. To create the new Matic and to secure the network, Polygon uses a proof of stake consensus mechanism, which means that one way you earn money on Matic you hold is via staking. So then you have your validators, your delegators, and you can do a lot of the same things you can do on Ethereum, but with the fees that are often a fraction of a cent. You can try decentralized exchanges like QuickSwap and SushiSwap, and all of that other stuff. So I'm not going to get all into this. If you want to read all of this, go into Coinbase, and it's in the About Polygon section. Now let's go into the official website and check it out. So there is a lot to Polygon. That's why it's worth 12 billion right now. But is there a 10 or 100x money to be made here still? That's the question. So Polygon is a protocol and a framework for building and connecting Ethereum-compatible blockchain networks, aggregating scalable solutions on Ethereum, supporting a multi-chain Ethereum ecosystem. Scale your decentralized app in 30 minutes. 3,000 plus dApps have already scaled their performance. So this is basically trying to help Ethereum get to scale. and they can scale dApps, they can scale all sorts of stuff, without, taking the time and the cost that it would on Ethereum. Pretty cool project. I love Polygon, love Matic, good layer 2 solution. Polygon bug bounty, you can make money for finding bugs in it. But look at this, is the ecosystem right here, right, for Ethereum, right? And the side chains, and the custom network would probably be Matic, I think they're talking about. Or you can make your own custom network through Matic. But they all have to run. See, these are all the main chains. And then you have Ethereum that can run to each one of these chains. And then you have side chains that can run from Ethereum to each one of these chains. And that's what you see, just not the main chain from them to the other one, but it can actually interact with the main chain. So that's pretty cool, guys. I mean, I know that's a lot to take in, but if you really study this, you'll know what I'm talking about. So Ethereum is a blockchain development platform of choice, but it has its limitation: low throughput, poor gas fees, no sovereignty. Many projects are exploring Ethereum compatible blockchains as a way to mitigate these limitations while still leveraging Ethereum's thriving ecosystem. However, there is no specialized framework to build such blockchains nor protocol to connect them. This introduces significant development challenges and causes ecosystem fragmentation. So there you see layer 2 rollups, like you have your loop rings, you have your optimistic rollups, like your other one, I can't remember them right off the side of my head, but we've talked about those on the channel as well. You have your Polygon Plasma, your Polygon POS over here, and your enterprise chains, and then your standalone chains, side chains, which, basically just go alongside of any other blockchain. So these are pretty cool. Some of this is even above my head. I understand most of it, but for the most part, this is pretty, technical stuff, and they really find a niche, or not a niche, but a need, and they fix it. And the scalability of Ethereum really needs something like Polygon. But how long will this last? I think this was just a temporary fix to Ethereum until we move into the Ethereum POS. So for now, yes, we need this, and massively. And this will still continue to be a good buy until Ethereum does transition into the POS. So that's what I'm thinking right now. Now it's still a good buy. So that's why these two are my choices, guys. Okay, now we can stand up again. That was a lot. I told you we had to sit down for that. But so now we look at that volume, 664 million. That is amazing volume, just huge. But no new news. Nothing is telling me that Polygon is just going to blast off, except this. Hello, Ethereum. How are you? What are you doing? This is why we need to pay attention to Polygon Matic. All right, so we have a $4,700 Ethereum today, right? We have a $4,800, almost $4,900 all-time high. Well, notoriously, when Ethereum gets to all-time highs and these price levels, gas fees go through the roof. And what does Polygon do? Well, Polygon uses a sidechain to lower those gas fees and lets you pay them in Matic for a fraction of a cent instead of paying $100 gas fee, or hundreds and hundreds, or even thousands and thousands of dollars in gas fees. So you would save yourself tons and tons and tons and tons of money, and that's why it would be relevant right now. We're not in POS yet. We're still in proof of work. And the price is still going up. They're still having, scalability issues, fulfilling all the transactions in time. There's more people and more transactions than there are time and blocks and validators, and for Ethereum to actually use its system to do all of that. So you have to have these side chains, or you will have weeks and weeks of backed up transactions and failed transactions and, just lots of chaos. So that's why it's relevant right now. And that's why Polygon could go up a lot right now. It is still really, really relevant and needed in crypto, in Ethereum right now, especially at these all-time highs. So why does Polygon always go up when Ethereum goes to all-time highs and gas fees get high? Well, because it takes that pressure off. It's like relieving pressure off of something. And that's what you have to do. You have to relieve that pressure off of Ethereum, and then a lot of that will funnel in. As soon as you relieve that pressure, tons of stuff is going to go to wherever you relieved it to, right? And so that would be Polygon. You know, it's like you have like a cyst or something, you cut it open and I know that's a gross one, but all of this stuff has to go somewhere, right, when you open it up. And that's basically Polygon. You open up Ethereum and it just shoots into Polygon and it raises the money a lot. So that could possibly bring it. That's why you have that $12 billion volume, or market cap, and that's why you have such heavy volume in there when Ethereum goes up. And so what does it say here? New Cipher is down 17% now. Cool. Okay, well, I'm glad I sold when I did. I didn't sell at the top, but I didn't sell at the bottom either. So the bottom of the top. I didn't sell at the top, and I didn't sell at the bottom of the top. Right, I sold about 3/4 to the top, so that's not bad for me. I sold it like $1.20, so not as good, but not as bad as it could have been. So, but now I got to figure out which one I'm gonna buy, you know, and it's down to these two. Now let's go look in the prices. That it always comes down to that, right? Like, what price is there? Price? Is there money to be made? Is it gonna move? Am I gonna be stuck with this for months? That's another thing. Do I want to make this a long-term investment? With Clover, that's what it would be. Because I believe Clover has a lot to offer Bitcoin, and it's a layer 1, and it basically is going to help solve, you know, DeFi to Bitcoin and help it interact, you know, in that kind of a way. So I'm all for that. And that's what a lot of these cryptos that are gaining it right now, Badger, and a couple of the other cryptos that are really opening Bitcoin up to DeFi, are doing amazing right now. And Bitcoin is going to go to DeFi, and all that money is going to flow into whatever project is doing that. So that would be more of long-term. Polygon would be more of a quick return. It still is an awesome project, but I don't know how long it has in its lifespan, especially at the height that it's at right now at $12.1 billion market cap, and less than $1 billion volume, half $1 billion volume, a little over. And then only 69% of the supply. That's not very much of it out of there. That's 31% that's still left out there that could really dump the market. So I don't think I'm going to be buying Polygon today. I just, out of the two, with the money that I have, where it's at right now. Now, if I would have went back here, guys, remember when I told you when it was at $1.08 or $1.06 back here? Remember that? When I was telling you about Polygon in one of my shorts? That's when I would have bought it, for sure. Guys, I was telling you, these are crazy low prices for Polygon right now. I said, man, I would buy that all day. But up here at $1.75, the most that I could really make is maybe $1 to the all-time high. And that isn't very much when it comes to how many coins you get for Polygon. You wouldn't get very many for $1,500. You would get less than, like, what, 100 coins? Yeah, you'd get less than 100. So that's not something I'd want to get. Yeah, 15 times 1 times 100. Okay, that's only 175. So I would get more than 100. I get less than 1,000, I think. Yeah. Sorry, my math was way off on that one. But yeah, less than 1,000 of them. That's what I was meaning. Yeah. So they're $1 each. It would be $1,750 for 1,000 of them. So, and I only have 1,500. So it would only give me like 900 in some of them. And then if it went up $1, what would that give me? Not very much more. Like if $1 more. So it would be $1,500 and then $1 more on top of that for each one. So I guess it would give me, you know, like $1,000 profit maybe. So that's not too bad, but when could that happen? If that could happen, and we're so high, I don't know that I want to take that. Yeah, we could go to $2, but that's only a 25-cent profit, and that's nothing. Especially when you get less than 1,000 of them. 1,000, that's like maybe $250 if you get that, and that's just, I mean, that's the most you could really make. So I don't really only want to make $250. Like I just made $400 on a coin because I like the lower cap coins just for right now on short-term investments. Now, if I'm doing long-term investments, I don't look for that, or medium-term, I don't look for that. Just my long terms, I do. So, and Clover isn't going to be a long term. I think it's only going to be a short to medium term investment. It's going to be longer than it would Polygon because it has more to offer, but Honestly, I'm not understanding Clover a whole lot because look at this. It was at $42 when it first started. Why did it drop so much? It doesn't make a whole lot of sense, and it doesn't tell you how many are in the circulating supply. It doesn't give you an amount. So let's go look at coin market cap for that because I think that will have the amount. Coin market cap and then CLV. Okay, here we go. So hopefully this will tell us how many there are all together. So a 24-hour trading volume of only 22 million. We update the CLV. Clover is down that. The current is 392 with a live market cap of 155 million. A circulating supply of 128 million. CLV coins, and the max supply is not available. Why is the max supply not available? That's kind of sketchy, guys. Okay, let's try it without the Clover Finance part. Because all now it's doing is taking me to Clover Finance. So let's just get rid of that. Maximum supply. What if a coin has... Generally speaking, when the maximum supply is reached, there will be fewer coins available on the market. That doesn't answer why. What if a coin has no max supply? Hold on. This is expected to create market scarcity, which may eventually lead to the deflation conditions or 0% inflation. Yeah, that doesn't even answer that question. What does max supply? Nope. 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 Okay. Limited supply. Nope. With no max supply. That's not even a very good question. Yep. Nope. Zero max supply mean. All right, let's go back. Yeah, it's not going to tell us, guys. They don't want us to know the answer to this question. Let's go to Reddit. Can someone please explain why one would choose to buy a crypto that is constantly being devalued by the production of more? Some of these projects have real potential, value, and seem so interesting. Example, Tezos, Cosmos, Polkadot. Okay, they don't have a fixed supply. ETH is a good example. There's no maximum supply, but that doesn't mean there will be an unlimited number of coins available. The coins still need to be mined, at least for ETH. I can't speak to some other coins. Okay, well, let's go look into what Clover is. Here, let's do it here.
According to spg-pack.com, Clover is a Polkadot-based open DeFi platform that provides users with a substitute financial tool. While the decentralized Clover coin price space greatly benefited from a complete upgrade and POW to POS mechanism migration, lots of insiders still think that Ethereum too.
Focus on cross-chain compatibility for DeFi applications. The CLV token is used to pay. Yep. Enable interoperability between Bitcoin and other blockchains. But it's not answering our question. Is it POS or POW? White paper. POW and POS? So it connects both POW to POS. So I don't think it is either. Major uplisting. So dot market cap. So this is really going off of Polkadot, as pointed out. Complete upgrade in POS. Wow. So if you guys like Clover Finance, or if you like Polkadot, you might want to look into Clover Finance. This has a lot more to do with the infrastructure of crypto than I thought. So I don't know. I can't find a lot of news about what it is. It doesn't want to give me the information. This is why when I ask companies, if I want to work for them, I ask them, I'm like, man, I need that information because it's so hard to find the right information. I wish I could ask these Clover Finance people these questions. They don't really give us the answers that we want. And I don't know why they're so secretive about it or hide the information that we need. Let's just go back over here to the official website. I just want to see if it's POS or POW. It helps with gas fees, cross-chain interactions, but it doesn't say multi-chain indexing. Yeah. Multi-chain, cross-chain, internal swap. Connect Clover, Ethereum, Polkadot, Solana, Binance Smart Chain, Phantom, Avalanche, Kusama, Edgeware, and so many other blockchains. So, yeah. Polychain Capital, oh boy, OKX, yeah, they have a lot of partners. Okay, well, I'm gonna have to do some more research on this to find out exactly what kind of system it runs on, or if it even runs on. It's probably like a proof of conspiracy mechanism, or like proof of DeFi or something we have never heard of, like cross chain proof of defamation, or proof of interoperability or something. I don't know. Let's just make something up and go with it. But so now let's look at the prices. Which one should I buy? What price? What? I mean, yeah, $1.20. That's a good price. I mean, why not? That's what I'm gonna buy at if I'm buying it. $1.20. I'm not gonna wait for a dip because it could go up, and then I'm not gonna chase it. So if I buy it, I'm buying it at $1.20. Really am. I don't see it dipping right now below that. I think it's going to pump here in a minute. I don't know why. You can't really tell because the hour, look at that. I have no clue why this coin looks like that per the hour. It makes I've never seen another crypto that looks like that on the hour, that just blasts up from 1 cent to another back and forth the whole hour. Kind of strange. That makes me almost not want to buy it. I don't understand. Look at the chart. It's weird looking, isn't it? Or am I the only one that it starts to get normal about the month, and then the year? Okay, well, you can't really tell because it's kind of janky, but so that looks normal, like a normal chart. But all the other ones, this one even is starting. Look how boxy it is. It's not supposed to be that boxy like that. I don't understand why this crypto is so weird, why it goes sideways for a while every time. You see that? Like it just goes sideways and then it goes way up. I'm not understanding the way this crypto moves different than every other one. So I would say I'm just gonna buy it at $1.20. I don't know, man. That's what I would buy. I would feel comfortable making a profit. But now if I was gonna buy this, I would want to get it at least at $1.54 or $1.60. I would wait for a dip before I bought into Matic. It could go over $2 though. So if you're just trying to make a real, quick little profit from $1.74 to over $2, it might do that. It might go back up here. There's no guarantee. But if we're still in the middle of a big altcoin season and we're gonna have a lot of crypto take off, Polygon could possibly do that. I don't think I'm gonna buy into this one though. Honestly, I think it's a good price. I think it could go to $2, but I don't want to put the risk for reward on this one. Now, am I going to do it on Clover? This is where we're at now. It's Clover. Am I going to do it? I don't know, guys. Let me know what you think in the comments below, okay? I can't make my decision. I really wanted to tell you, but I think it's going to be Clover. I think I might, guys. So I'll let you know what I decide. I might put it in one that we didn't even talk about, and then I'll make a video about it, but I promise whatever I do, I will let you know. You guys, this is not financial advice. I'm not telling you to copy me, but if you want to, I can't stop you. Not financial advice, entertainment purposes, only common sense, but do not try this at home. I have to say that for legal purposes. But yeah, you could make lots of money. And I think I'm going to look in at getting this at a nice $1.20. And I want to learn more about it and why it does what it does. And it's probably because it's layer 1 on, the inner operates a lot of different blockchains. So it might take a minute for all the information from all the blockchains to get back to the token. And that's why it might look a little bit different than every other one. That's the only thing that I can think of. But I have no evidence of that. So, all right, guys, that being said, you know what time it is. Goodbye and good Bitcoin. Bang!